Hey everyone, Josh here. So just getting ready to do the timing belt on the CJAA TDI. And I thought I'd do a quick video on trying to figure out the age or the mileage that your timing belt was changed. So this car was built in November of 2011. So it's a Volkswagen Golf sports wagon. And I know for sure it hasn't been changed, but there's a quick and easy way to kind of get a rough idea of when it's been changed. So these cars, when they're around 100,000 to apparently 165,000 miles, you might find them quite cheap on sale because people don't want to pay to get this timing belt changed. So this kit itself is about $250, but if you go to the dealer, it'll be anywhere from $1,000 to almost $3,000 to change. So people decide just to get rid of it instead of doing the service. If you're looking at these cars, there's a quick and easy way of figuring out how old the belt is at least. So that gives you a rough idea. So if you bar the engine over with the timing cover off, you're gonna find a patch of words here. So VW Ag, and then it's kind of war back here, but it says ContiTech. So Continental or ContiTech made these belts for Volkswagen, but if it says VW Ag, that's a good sign it's either the original belt or it was changed at the dealer, because some people love taking these nice fine German automobiles to the dealer for all their work. So there's also a date code hidden on there. There's 14 digits just in front of this. So I'm going to bar the engine around so that we can see it. I've got it kind of highlighted so I can pick it up on video. Okay, so here it is. So we're going to ignore the first bunch and we're just going to care about this last 6. So we got a little bit of glare here, but that is 201121. So the 21 is the 21st week of the year of 2011. So given when this car was made, there's a pretty good chance that this belt was installed on the factory floor when this car was made. So that's a very good indication that this is the original belt at 165,000. But it is not foolproof. There might have been old stock, but as always, it's better to be safe than sorry, so I'm changing it. So this INA kit, if I get this belt out, so we're middle of 2023. I bought this belt, I don't know, a couple months ago. If we look at it, 202212, so 12th week of 2022. So this belt's almost a year old now, but sitting in the package, that'll be fine. So up next, we're gonna do a video installing it, and then we should be good for another 120,000.